Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to delete clips on Twitch mobile. And for this, open your Twitch application and log in, and then please go to profile right in the bottom. From here we go to creator dashboard, and after this click on content. Right now you will see some clips on your channel and I want to remove a clip. So right now I want to remove this clip just right here, so click on that clip and now you will see the delete option in the bottom right, and if I click on that and we click on delete, we just deleted a clip. And this is exactly how you can do this on mobile. The other way is go to your channel and then scroll to clips, and from here if you have any clips here on your channel you can remove them too from here. But the most easy way is to go to content and remove them from there. Alright, this is how it works. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.